Hello friends, I am Manya, an AI tech expert. As we discuss about technology, making it simple to understand, today we take a closer look at Gen AI or Generative AI in layman terms. Gen AI can change the way each industry functions. As Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, expressed optimism about the revolutionary potential of generative AI, which promises to put expertise at our fingertips, surpassing the current state of information accessibility. We won't brief a lot on the theoretical part, but explain it via layman language and examples so that it is easier for non-tech people to understand. Alongside, there is well explained Google and Microsoft documentation where you can go through the theory in detail. We have provided the link in the description below in case you are not aware. Also, you can take their free course. Let's take a look at some examples to understand better. Have you watched the movie Inception, where dreams were created or modified at runtime? Maybe call it Dream Gen AI. It is the best example to understand Gen AI. If you have not watched that movie, here is a small portion where Leonardo DiCaprio teaches a student how to build and modify a dream. Take a look.
I specialize in a very specific type of security. Subconscious security.
We create the world of the dream.
Who are the people?
Projections in my subconscious.
Yours?
Yes. Remember, you are the dreamer. You build this world. I am the subject. My mind populates. You can literally talk to my subconscious. That's one of the ways we extract information from the subject.
How else do you do it?
By creating something secure like a bank vault or a jail, the mind automatically fills it with information it's trying to protect.
Something, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Very impressive.
It's called Inception.
If it is not clear, then take an example of an essay written by a class 4 student versus essay written by class 12 student. So if I give class 4 student to write about his hobbies and the same student writing it in class 12th, would that remain same? No, though we as humans understand that it might change based on the learning and change in interest with age. Key point here is it generates new stuff based on what's in that child's brain at different ages. Hence, the brain has developed over a period of time. Similarly, the AI model is trained with a data set of child at age 6 and it grows with data, time, and usage. So if a machine or the AI model that is created using generative AI APIs. Models can mimic this same behavior of a human. Is generative AI, as the name suggests, generate not discriminate? Though this generation does not only depend on LLM and a pre-trained model, rather it grows as we use it. Now the question might arise, what is LLM and ML, that is, large language model and machine learning? Most of you might be aware of LLM and ML, as you might know it already, where we have huge set of data based on which we can train a model. Take a look at this.
And this brings us to the Generative AI Studio. Generative AI Studio enables you to interact with the model via a simple UI or tune the model with your own data. Let's explore the PaLM 2 model for text. So I can ask something like, explain large language models like I'm 5. And it gives me an explanation of LLMs.
And the response you get is very simple yet easy to understand. It says, imagine you have a giant dictionary of every word in the English language, and then you add all the rules that can put together to form a sentence. That's basically what a LLM model is. The concept is too wide, hence for this video, understanding Gen AI for implementation. In any use case, we have discussed basic examples and what Google offers to make it easier for you to implement the same. If you have not checked that yet, find the Google documentation link and their free course. The link is in the description below. Now when it is clear, if not then maybe, take the Google course to understand it better. We have already taken the course and been the trusted testing partner where Google offered to test the Vertex API for free and a chance to use Google Cloud's public AI capabilities with $300 in free credits. For now, we would move to the best part of Gen AI in Google is the Model Garden. So let's take a closer look what the Model Garden, Vertex AI and Duet AI offer for you as a developer, and we will keep discussing more on this in the coming weeks. Let's take a look at the Vertex AI Studio. It has the documentation, API reference with Gemini multimodality, create prompts and custom models, be it language, vision or speech, generate code in any language such as Python and many more, integrate Duet AI in your Visual Studio. Take a look at the Model Garden, its pre-trained, multitask foundation, fine-tuned models.